Alright guys, we're gonna try to make the truck up this. The only issue I see, I think we have enough clearance. We don't have lockers, there's a bunch of loose rocks. So I think that's the only issue we're gonna have. No lockers, we're just gonna slip a bunch and gonna have to give up. But can't say we didn't try. Right, Trent?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. But we're gonna go ahead. We have 30 PSI in the tires right now. I don't know what the recommended people do on these heavy trucks, but we're gonna go down to probably 25. The issue is it's so heavy, we don't wanna de-bead the tire, just the weight and everything in conjunction with it. So we're gonna go ahead and let out 5 PSI each tire. Try to make it up there. If we fail, if we damage the truck, we'll take Trent's debit card and pay for it. So let's do it.
Yeah. Driver's side. You got a good foot. No, not yet. Driver's side. Cut drivers. Driver's side more. You clear it. You clear the diff. You barely clear it. Drivers. Shit.
That shit. We good?
You gotta hit it with some speed. Try it again. You're really close. Yeah.